Stand mixers are versatile kitchen appliances that combine power, precision, and convenience. These robust machines are equipped with a sturdy stand and a mixing bowl, allowing for hands-free operation while handling a wide range of culinary tasks. With variable speed settings and multiple attachments, they effortlessly whisk, mix, knead, and blend ingredients, ensuring consistent and professional results. Stand mixers are ideal for baking enthusiasts and professional chefs alike, as they effortlessly handle heavy doughs, whip up fluffy creams, and incorporate ingredients thoroughly. Their powerful motors and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance, making them an indispensable kitchen companion. From compact models for smaller kitchens to larger ones for commercial use, stand mixers come in various sizes and designs to suit different needs. With their efficiency and versatility, these mixers have become a must-have appliance for any culinary enthusiast. In this video, explore the newest stand mixers with incredible features and benefits. Subscribe and like for more updates. Let's dive in and uncover greatness. After careful evaluation, Petalirs has secured the 5th position in our assessment. If you're a regular baker, this stand mixer will revolutionize your baking experience. It effortlessly simplifies dough preparation, beating egg whites, whipping cream, and more, eliminating the need for tiring manual labor. With this mixer, you can explore new food possibilities that you may not have considered before and save time on your favorite go-to recipes. Boasting a robust 660W pure copper motor and metal gear, it offers superior power and durability, resulting in faster and better dough making. The motor and gear are housed in a metal case, reducing noise and providing internal protection. With 6 optimized speeds, this stand mixer ensures precise mixing for various types of food. It comes with a whisk, dough hook, and beater, enabling you to create cakes, pasta, ice cream, breads, cookies, pastry, muffins, and waffles. The 6QD stainless steel bowl caters to larger groups, and the tilt head design allows easy access to the beaters. An LED power indicator adds convenience, and anti-slip suction feet keep the mixer securely in place on your countertop. The dishwasher-safe mixing bowl and easily cleanable machine surfaces simplify post-use maintenance. Ranking 4th on our list, Hamilton Beach delivers an impressive stand mixer that has garnered high ratings. With 7 speeds and a mixing guide, it ensures you choose the perfect speed for each task. The first slow speed is excellent for kneading bread and minimizing splatter, while the high speed flawlessly whips cream and meringue. This mixer outperforms 2 beater models and features a tilt-back head design, granting easy bowl access for ingredient additions and swift attachment changes. Effortlessly handle thick batters and doughs for bread, cookies, and more. Equipped with a powerful 300-watt motor, it effortlessly manages the ingredients for all your homemade baked goods, from delicate cupcakes to hearty bread. Enjoy precise control at each speed, guided by the helpful speed guide on top of the mixer. The planetary mixing action ensures even and thorough mixing as the beaters rotate around the included for Quart stainless steel bowl. Along with the bowl's handles, the stand mixer includes a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater. The dishwasher-safe bowl and attachments simplify cleanup. The top handle enhances grip when lifting the mixer's head and facilitates easy movement when storing it away. With its superior performance and convenient features, including the tilt-back head design, this Hamilton Beach stand mixer is a reliable choice for any kitchen. Claiming the third position on our list, CHeflee brand stands out with its dedication to safety and convenience. When it comes to achieving soft and pliable bread, their stand mixer excels. With a powerful 660W motor, it can knead dough into a glove film consistency in just 5 to 10 minutes, resulting in fluffy and stretchy bread. The mixer offers 6 speeds to meet various mixing needs, from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping cream. Its electric mixer tilt lock ensures the head is securely locked when lifted, preventing heavy drops. The interior spring allows for smooth lowering and effortless lifting, simplifying bowl and accessory installation. CHeflee's kitchen electric stand mixer employs planetary mixing action, mimicking the trajectories of planets to ensure thorough mixing and prevent mixture from sticking to the bowl's edges. The 6QD SUS 304 bowl is ideal for family-sized portions. The mixer comes complete with a die-cast aluminum dough hook, beater, stainless steel egg whisk, egg white separator, splash guard, spatula, and dust cover. All accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The interior gears are constructed from robust metal, resulting in lower noise levels and prolonged service life. The mixer's stability is enhanced by 5 anti-slip feet, preventing movement or bouncing during operation. Additionally, a vent located behind the tilt head promotes heat dissipation. With its focus on safety, efficiency, and comprehensive accessories, CHeflee's stand mixer offers a compelling choice for any kitchen. Taking the second spot on our top list, Vospeed presents an outstanding product that surpasses expectations. The Vospeed kitchen stand mixer is a versatile food processor equipped with a dough hook, whisk, beater, juice blender, and meat grinder. It serves as the perfect kitchen helper for creating cakes, bread, cookies, smoothies, salads, sausages, and meat sauces. The splash guard ensures mess-free ingredient additions. With the precise 6-speed controller, you can effortlessly adjust from a slow stir to a fast mix, catering to different recipes. Additionally, the pulse option allows for rapid blending, ideal for rinsing juicer cups or preparing smoothies. The dough mixer features an 850-watt pure copper motor capable of handling any task with ease. An integrated temperature chip sensor automatically shuts down the machine to prevent overheating. The spacious stainless steel bowl with handles accommodates all your kitchen needs, while the 1.5L glass jar is perfect for making juice for the whole family. With its planetary stirring system, this mixer ensures thorough and even mixing. Vospeed's kitchen stand mixer truly delivers exceptional functionality and performance. Claiming the top position on our list, the Kitchen in the Box store brand presents a standout product that outshines the competition. This compact stand mixer weighs less than 7 pounds, making it small and easy to store, perfect for kitchens with limited space or apartments. It offers multiple color options to cater to various aesthetic preferences. The mixer is equipped with a 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl, making it suitable for new bakers or small families of 1 to 2 members. It is easy to operate and clean up. The tilt head design allows for easy installation and removal of the bowl and accessories. The transparent anti-splash lid effectively prevents ingredients from making a mess. This mini mixer provides 6 different speed options, catering to various mixing needs, whether it's bread dough, thick batters, meringues, or delicate cake creams. The machine's chassis features 4 strong suction cups, ensuring stability during operation and preventing movement or bouncing. The aluminium dough hook, flat beater, and stainless steel whisk are easy to attach and made of upgraded materials for enhanced sturdiness and durability. The top joint is equipped with a gasket to prevent food residue from splashing into it, making cleaning more convenient. This electric mixer also serves as an excellent gift idea for family and friends. The Kitchen in the Box store brand has truly excelled in providing a top-notch stand mixer that combines compactness, functionality, and durability. We value your input. Feel free to share your thoughts on the stand mixer that caught your attention in the comments section. Your feedback is essential in helping us enhance our content. Thank you for actively engaging with us.